The question is, I have a prior criminal violation. Is that going to affect my fiance visa? And the answer is it could. So first and foremost, it depends on the type of criminal violation, how long ago it was, and what happened with it, what was the disposition on it. And on a special note, you have some particular type of violations, especially drug violations, which could show up on your medical examination. And so when you do a fiance visa or even a marriage visa for that matter, like a CR1, it's called the CR1 or K1 for the fiance visa, you have to do a medical examination, and during this medical examination, prior drug abuse or prior drug use, I should say, is something that could possibly show up. So I would be very careful when it comes to this sort of situation. And if you want to talk to an attorney, we're happy to talk to you and provide any kind of additional information you may need. Thank you for watching.